Okay, so now when we saw in previous lesson how you can post opening transaction for one fixed assets, let's say that you have, and usually in companies you have hundreds or thousands of fixed assets in a fixed assets module. And for this, we can use configuration packages, or previously known as RapidStart, to import transactions inside Business Central. And for this, similar to our previous example, we need to disable integration with GL because in our case, company posted all the transactions related to fixed assets already on GL directly without using fixed asset management module. And now in 2024, they are using fixed asset management module and they want to post opening balance to the fixed asset. So in my depreciation books, for my company depreciation book, I must make sure that my acquisition cost and depreciation integration with GL are disabled. Okay. In our example, I created three fixed assets called conveyor belt. They are equipments. They have our depreciation book called company, and we see that they have some depreciation in 2023. I have conveyor lift, the similar settings, and I have conveyor computer also with the same and similar settings. And we can see that book value on all three fixed assets is 0. Okay, now to load transactions to fixed asset module, I will go to tell me. Now I search for configuration packages. And here I can use one of the existing configuration packages for data migration, or as I will do right now, I'll create a new one. It will be code OBFA, so opening balance fixed assets. And I need to know in which table I will want to load my data. And for me, I know already that for fixed asset journal, I need table 5621. And this is a table fixed asset journal line. Under the table, I can select which fields I would like to enable for data migration. So to export the template and to import it again. For our demo, I'm going to use all fields. And now next step is to click on Excel, and I need to export my template to Excel. So I'll click export and click yes. Okay, my file has been downloaded, and now I will open my file. And here I already have my template, so that it was exported. And now I will fill in my Excel with information that I need to load. So I will just paste my data here. And as you can see here, I have my details about my journal, my batch, what is the depreciation book, very important, and what are the posting types. So we have acquisition, depreciation for each of those, and as well we have amounts inside the Excel template. Also very important, fixed asset posting group. We see that we are there, that they all are equipments. And now I can save my template. Now I'll close it. And if I return to Business Central, if I click on import from Excel, I will choose my template. I will drag and drop it here. My data will be automatically prepared for loading, so I will click import. And now, if I scroll to the right, I will see that inside my package I have 6 records. I can see that all those assets are successfully loaded to configuration package because there is no yes value in invalid field. And now what I'm going to do, I will select all and I will apply data. By applying data, my data from configuration package will be transferred to my fixed asset journal. And now I will go to Tell Me and search for fixed asset journals. And if I open my fixed asset journal, I will see my data from Excel and configuration package here inside the journal. And now what I can do, I can click post, and all my lines are successfully posted. Very important now is to turn on general ledger integration. So I will go to my depreciation books. I'll go to my company book, and I will turn on my integration with GL. And let's now see what we have on fixed asset records. I can see that my conveyor belt has a book value. If I take a look at the transactions, I see that this is the document, exactly the document number that I used in my data migration. The same is for my conveyor lift, and the same goes for my conveyor computer. And this is how you can utilize Excel and configuration packages to import your opening balance and opening transactions of fixed assets into Business Central.